Into the matrix. Welcome to the world of PHPMailer. PHPMailer, a fully featured email creation and transfer class for PHP. Probably Ego, the world's most popular code for sending email for PHP. Great, so this is what we're going to use. I already have the files. I'm just going to copy them in. So we need 3 files. One is called SMTP. We paste. Paste doesn't seem to be working. We wait on that. The other one is called PHPMailer. Copy. Paste. That doesn't seem to be working either. Alright, so I'm just going to copy them across and show you them after. So PHPMailer, SMTP, and exception. So we have those files, and that's all we need. We have our share, and we have our send message. So do you know what we're gonna do next? You know what we're gonna do next. We have to capture the form submission, right? And we need to get so right, copy and paste is the name of the game currently. Email subject personal. Email subject personal. So you know the drill. So we're saying if email and subject, we could go ahead. Alright, so at the top, when we include this, we need to include everything else we need. So I think this is the order they set to include them in. PHPMailer, include SMTP. Alright, so the rest is what I copied and paste as well. There's one special part, but let's copy and paste the mailing part. So try catch. These credentials are going to change by the time you see them. So I won't get too ahead of myself. Alright, so message. Which one is the message? I have a message here. Where am I getting that from? I'm trying to figure it out. Can't figure it out. Okay, great. So what we did, right? This is how you set up our these are not really emails, so forth, so forth, so forth. And these will change. We're using MailChimp, right? Great. So the last thing we need to do is we need to get this template. So remember, we're showing stuff like this. Now we need to get all of this, and what we're going to do to get that is something called OB start and OB clean. Alright, so I'm going to type it out. So we say product is equal to get product. So why are we doing this? Because we need the product. We should have it on top, so we might actually be calling it twice. So we might not need to do it. We can actually do like if it exists, if it doesn't exist, if product doesn't exist, we could load it up. Alright, so I'll avoid us from using it, but it should already existed. Alright, and we're going to do OB start. Now I could Google this to be more sure about it. From my understanding, it captures whatever is going on in an email template, and you could use OB clean to get whatever it captured. Right, so this is what we're doing here. This is what those render functions, if you ever used frameworks, this is what your render functions tend to play with. Anyway, so we start the capturing and we get all the things we captured. We include email template, it would have access to product, and so we just pass in the message here. And that should be it for us. That should be it for us. So let's see if we can get it to send. And if we can get it to send, we can call this complete. Send to add at gmail.com. That's good. This is a message. No personal message. Alright, so we're just going to see if this works. And PhpMailer not found. That's really unfortunate. Why hasn't it not been found? When we include it here. Why do you think this has happened? So I should be ashamed to say this, but maybe that's the problem. I don't actually know. So we need to use it because it has like a class in it when it's created. It's stuff. It has a class in it. Namespace is the correct term. And once it's using namespace, you have to define the namespace in order to access PhpMailer. So let's check for it. Congratulations. You have successfully sent this. You could also